All right, what you got here is the Logitech Mono H820E. This is a headset, wireless one, by the way, for use with mainly your computer, I would say, and that's how I've always used it. Let me just get this out of the bag here. I used to use the dual 820E, which was two-sided, but I really do like this one, especially if you're in an environment where you also need to listen to others or talk to other people frequently while you are also on the phone. Right here, we got the boom mic. It's got a little button here that will actually mute, and then there's a button at the back that should pick up your calls. And the thing I just super duper appreciate about this is the stand. The stand is really what it's all about here. I mean, of course, you want the headset itself to be excellent, which it is. It's super comfortable and it's fine working on it all day long. But if you have a headset that's wireless and you have to like hook it up to charge at all times that you're not using it, then that really sucks. But with the H820, you just go ahead and throw it back in the stand here and it is charging. That's all you got to do. Throw it in the stand, it'll be charging, pick it up, and it's ready to go. I'll mention the volume switch here too as well. But I just love how the stand, you can just throw it in there and it charges all day long. And this thing is hefty. You can't really, you heard it when I dropped it, can't knock that down easily. So if you're looking for a new one-sided wireless headset, which by the way can go very, very far. This base station transmits, I think it's like 300 feet. Don't quote me on that, but it's extra far. Then I believe this is a good option for you.